Alright, as of you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. And for this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reprogram a coin slot. So this is a new coin slot with anti-thief because it has a cover right here. So this is the new design. And before we start, if you are new, please do yourself a favor, subscribe and hit the bell button so you will be notified every time I upload. And if you wanted to learn a basic troubleshooting skills or tips or basic repairs of your printers, I want you to grab a copy of my ebook, which I will be listed here below. So just follow the instructions and you will receive your ebook in a full volume. So what are the materials needed in a reprogram a coin slot? So first is we have of course the coin slot and the wires. And also you must have the coins, the new coin and the old ones. Right here. This is for the 5 peso. And here is the for the 1 peso. And for the new coin of 1 pesos. And then the 10 peso. Then for the new, so at least you must have a 20 coins each denomination for the 1, 5 and the 10. So in your coin slot, you must locate the DC12 and the ground. That will be the supply for the coin slot. So insert now the high balls, and then as you can see, the DC12 is lined with the red and the brown is lined with the black. So this black and red wires will be our supply. So we now connect it to transformer adapters, which is having an output of 12 voltage. And right now I am using a power supply unit from my CPU. And for the power supply, the 12 volts here is the yellow line and the ground will be the black. So you connect the coin slot to your power supply or adapter or transformer that is having a 12 volts. So the red wire from the coin slot must be the 12 volts, the positive, and the black will be the ground. So for this case, in the power supply on the computer, the PSU, the yellow wire is the 12 volts. So I must connect it to the red, to the coin slot, and the black will be the ground. So the black to the coin slot is connected to the black from the black wires from the PSU. Okay, so as you can see, the coin slot is having a 0 here. So this is the set button. We press it twice. So 1, so letter A appeared, and 2, A1 appeared. So we start programming this coin slot by inserting the coins. First will be 1 peso. So as you can see, there is a counter here. It will count how many coins I have dropped. 19. So this is the 20, the last coin, and automatically it will the counter will automatically give you an A2, and for the A2 it is for the 5 peso. So 20, 19, 20, see, and it's now A2, and we have to insert the 5 peso now. So 19, okay, automatic, when it reaches 20, automatically the counter will give you an A3, and for the A3 we're going to drop the 10 peso now. And for the 20, so automatic, the counter will reset to 0, and now our Coinslot is ready to receive coins and give signal to the timer. So stay tuned, because I'm gonna show you how to connect this Coinslot to the timer, so we can assemble now the counter, the timer for our Pisonet. Check out for my next video, and don't forget to subscribe.